Tēnā koutou katoa e hoa mā, kua moke au kia koutou. Hope you've had a fantastic week. Hey, I'm going to try and do less talking and more reo in this clip. Check out the description box below because everything we're going to be speaking about will be written down there because it's going to be kupu overload. Pai ne. Araiti he kēmu. Some of you meet up in partners and pairs. Others meet up in small groups in your whare or in an environment where there are rooms and hallways. If that's the case, this kēmu is perfect. How does it go? Find a hoa, partner up, blindfold your partner, pick a start location, pick an end location, a destination. The challenge, e hoa mā, is to get your blindfolded hoa uninjured from start to finish, speaking in te Reo Māori anake. That's right, this game concentrates on commands. How does it look? Let's go to this next clip and check it out. Haere whakamua. Ta haere. Kia tūpato. Ai, Kāti. Me Huri matau. Righty, haere whakamua. Kia tū, me haere matau anō. Haere whakamua. Kāti. Ināia nei, me huri mauī. Ai, pai. Me haere tōtika. Kua tata. Haere tonu. Kāti. Me huri mauī. Ai, ka mutu, ka pai. He kēmu pai ne. And one of the coolest things about this is we can start to incorporate the sentence structures that we've been learning into this kēmu. For example, when we were approaching those stairs, what if I was to say to my blindfolded hoa, kia tūpato, kai hinga koe? You remember that sentence structure, be careful, you might fall over. Or, if I'm blindfolded, I might ask my hoa, e hea te tawhiti I konei? So, how far is it from here? And, you know, they might reply, e whitu mita, 7 meters. And then I might ask, before I continue on my journey, e hea te roa, kia tai atu? So, how long will it take? And they might reply, rua meneti, 2 minutes. Kei te pai, start to have some fun with it. And just before I haere atu, I figured there's 15 to 20% of you still listening and you guys are the keen ones. So, I just want to say I've doubled up on this book here, the Phrase Book of Modern Māori. It's brand new. And it's by none other than Scotty Morrison. He puka tino pai. If you would like a copy of this, I would like to send it to you. I'll cover the costs, the shipping, and chuck it on tracking as well. And I was thinking the fairest way to do this is if you want to chuck your favourite kiwaha in the comments section below. In say 7 days time, I'll honestly and fairly just chuck your name in a hat. There may only be 2 or 3 of yous, and pick your name out. And I will send you my email address, and I just need a delivery address and I'll send this to you, okay? And I put together a wee pack here of these books here. It's more for the intermediate level plus. A lot of this is quite fluent, but some fantastic pikitia and stories that go with it. If you would like a handful of these to help you on your journey, also I'll pick a second name out of the hat, so I'll send you my email address and you can send me an email and I'll send those to you free of charge. So hopefully they help e hoa mā. Until next time, kia pai tō wiki. Hei kōna.